Imagine yourself in this 2009 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.